Molweni ndinamkela kumam Mgobhozi TV. So uMpilo Mseleku ebe live on TikTok ethetha ke nge-frustration yakhe sometimes xa eye asokole uthengisa imoto nokungazithembi kwakhe. So beshare nje ke ba beske wa down lately. So ke abantu baye bangena ku-comment section yakhe wakhona ombuzayo ngento kaMpumelelo oye wathenga imoto engayithengi kuye, and then ke uMpilo uye wayiphendula ke loo nto leyo. Ivani ke apha uba uthini ngento kaMpumelelo yoba ethenge imoto kwa-Hyundai Nothi kule dealership yena asebenza kuyo kodwa bayifemeli. Uyasivezela ke noba uMpumelelo ingathi uyifumene njani le moto, ngoba abanye abantu bebebuza ba uyithengile ngemali yakhe okanye is it sponsored, uyabo. So uyaphendula ke uMpilo.
I didn't really want to do sales because I just knew that I would fail. Kusakhuluma nje the negativity in me ngoba one day about me is I'll be negative about things that I can do. But I sort of ngifikile khona abantu abangithembe enough ukuthi bathenge imoto kumina, and I'm forever grateful. I'm happy for them. But mina nje I'm the hater in my life. And other times inyanga ayifani, ngiyasebe nemali every month to just make a big purchase like ukudayisa imoto. So that's why bengi down. Angazi noma mina ngedwa, angazi noma mhlambe it's rooted in some horrible thing, but I get so frustrated when I can't do into ebengifisa ukuthi yenzeke. And okubhlungu ukuthi you can't control into esale, like the sales, you can't control them. I try my best. I try to assist people. Ngizama ukuthi ngingene ko live nani, but mengathi futhi akwenzeki. Wayothenga imoto. Angazi lutho actually, yazi. I don't think so. But Motaki Brandeo, I think it's just a great opportunity that he had to do a sponsorship kind of thing. I don't think. Nanuguti also, guys, even if someone from my family knows that I sell cars, because at the end of the day, they got a better offer somewhere. I'm not saying I don't know. But that's what I'm saying. I'm crucify because he didn't do anything. Like, he didn't do anything. And then but so please, but I think it's just a great opportunity. He got like a sponsorship, like, and I'm so happy for them. But people
so ke bethunani uMpilo ubuziwe ke njengoba benitshilo ba yo like uMpumelelo why promoter imoto yakho Hyundai kanye ethenge imoto eHyundai, whereas ukhona usebenza apho uthengisa omoda and stuff like that. So uMpilo uphendlile ke bethunani ba uMpumelelo ufumene i-sponsorship, so ke i-opportunity right leyo uyamvuyela. Yena noTirelo baphila iphupho lakhe because uTirelo naye kulo ke upromoter EJ Tour. So ke utsho uMpilo bethunani ba masiyeke uMpumelelo singabe sibaxabanisa, akho nto uMpumelelo ayenzileyo. Ufumene ke inobakela alpha yosebenza noHyundai, so ke akho nto azayithini. So kubantu I think befuna ukwazi ba uMpumelelo uyithengile nyani ngemali yakhe okanye i-brand deal or sponsorship, I think uMpilo uyiphendulile ke uyasichazela uba it's a sponsorship. Ndayithanda ke naleba atsho uba just because ethengisa imoto umntu efemelini yakhe akekho forced uba ayothenga kuye, yebo angayothenga nakwenye indawo, akufunekanga ayothenga kuye ngenxa eba ethengisa imoto okanye kula dealership, yabo. Umntu une-choice yothenga kwindawo ufuna uthenga kuyo okanye upromota imoto afuna ukuyipromota. Wachaza ke banaye akakabi nayo imoto kodwa ke uyayifuna. Hopefully ke uzosebenza ke azithengele, ngoba I remember yena noAbongwe batsho bathi bafuna ukuzisebenzela bazithengele okanye bazenzele izinto zabo ngamandla abo, ababhekanga ukunikezwa, yabo, okanye ufumana amafa. Anyways, enkosi kakhulu bethunani ngokuthi nibukele le video. uMam Mgobhozi uyanibona kwivideo elandelayo. Bye.